go to the beach today. After the beach. Oh, look, a school bus. Well, I hope I did. Making a little pit stop before we go to the beach at Dunkin' Donuts. Thank you. Finally made it to the beach, and now it's time to go to my favorite beachwear store. It's 9:35. Oh, okay. We gotta be back by 12:35. We have to pay for parking. But yeah, we're going to my favorite beachwear store, Wings. Let's go upstairs first. Let's go upstairs, guys. I love this store. They must have rearranged. Oh, my bad. Ew, ooh, hello. Hello. I'm Tony. Excuse me. Okay. Oh my god. We are ready. Here's that guy again. Honey, it's gonna blow, honey. Loving the beach. It's so windy. This umbrella won't stay still. Oh, we got sand fun over here. Our cup looks pretty heavy though, baby. I think if I just keep it like this, it will stay. Yeah. Because the wind's facing the other way. What'd you get? Birds, don't leave it alone. Another edition of when birds attack. Birds, they don't want to leave us alone. But I have a trick to get these birds away from us. Okay? Oh, not a couple of ice. Okay, I'm gonna throw some ice. They didn't see it. Blind people. I'm protecting myself. These birds really don't want to leave me alone. Get away from me. Oh, there. These birds. They're going crazy. A seashell speaker. I want him to walk. We're leaving the beach for today and going to McDonald's for lunch. I'm hot. Oy. My hair is sticking up. I asked you if it was. No, we're at another McDonald's. And this time it's lunchtime. It's a funky McDonald's. Bounce over there. Got sunburn. Not much today going on. Day2.